So, if you're in a tough spot and urgently need cash, what's your move? You might turn to YouTube, searching for ways to make money online, only to be bombarded with questionable advice like low-paying surveys, sketchy websites that risk malware, or pricey courses promising unrealistic earnings in a month. I've been there too, navigating through a maze of ineffective methods before finding a few that actually work. Today, I'll delve into 10 websites and online gigs where you can start earning within 24 hours, rating each on a scale of 1 to 10 based on their usability, earning potential, and more. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks, work-from-home job opportunities, and side hustles. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. First up is Gigwalk, a platform frequently recommended on forums like Beer Money. Here, you complete microtasks such as photographing storefronts or reviewing products in stores. It's ideal if you live near many stores but less effective in remote areas. Users report earning around $25 for tasks lasting 15 to 30 minutes. While it's not consistent or sufficient for full-time income, when combined with similar apps, it can contribute significantly. I rate Gigwalk 5 out of 10. Next is Ibotta, a popular cashback app for everyday purchases. Users praise its passive earning potential, with numerous reports of savings and earnings. If you already have Ibotta, withdrawing funds within 24 hours is possible. However, if you're new to it, you can't start earning immediately, earning Ibotta a 3 out of 10. TaskRabbit, on the other hand, stands out as a versatile platform for earning substantial income quickly. Offering services like moving, heavy lifting, and furniture assembly, TaskRabbit allows you to set competitive rates and earn well. Many users have reported significant earnings, such as over $100,000 annually for specific tasks. It's flexible and can potentially become a full-time gig or even launch your own service business. TaskRabbit earns a perfect score of 10 out of 10. Premise operates similarly to Gigwalk, offering microtasks localized to your area. It's beneficial if you live near stores or in high-income neighborhoods, but it's not suitable for full-time income. However, it does provide quick payouts within 24 hours, earning a score of 5 out of 10. Course Hero functions as a micro-tutoring site where you answer homework questions for cash. While it's ideal if you excel in a particular subject, the global competition, particularly from countries with lower living costs, limits its profitability for US-based tutors. Therefore, it receives a score of 3 out of 10. These platforms offer diverse opportunities to earn money quickly, each with its own strengths and limitations. If you're looking for immediate earnings or considering long-term income strategies, these insights can help you make informed choices. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Looking at the next opportunity on our list, we have Papa Pal, which focuses on microtasks and small errands for local individuals. This platform is particularly suited for tasks like picking up dry cleaning for elderly clients who may find it challenging to manage heavier tasks. While tasks are generally short and can be completed in about 15 minutes, the pay is relatively good. What sets Papa Pal apart is its emphasis on building community relationships and incentivizing repeat assistance with bonuses. It's not a full-time income source, and tasks may not always be available, but it's reliable for earning money within 24 hours. Papa Pal earns a rating of 4 out of 10. Moving on, Snapwire caters to both amateur and professional photographers. It allows users to upload photos for sale, which can be used in various paid products or social media. Contrary to the belief that only professional-grade photos sell, Snapwire often values the authenticity and relatability of amateur-style images, even hosting contests that can boost earnings. For photography enthusiasts, it's an enjoyable way to monetize their hobby, with payouts possible within 24 hours. Snapwire receives a rating of 6 out of 10. Now, let's discuss Uber, a widely known ride-sharing app. Despite mixed opinions, Uber remains a lucrative option for generating full-time income, especially during peak periods such as events or holidays. Many individuals have reported significant earnings, with examples like $347 in a night or $740 in a single evening. While not a lifelong career, it's an effective solution for immediate financial needs, requiring only a car. Uber earns a rating of 9 out of 10. Another familiar option is food delivery, specifically through DoorDash, which allows drivers to set their own schedules and work either part-time or full-time. It's a flexible income source that's popular among those needing supplementary income. Many drivers report consistent earnings, contributing to DoorDash's rating of 8 out of 10. Similarly, Grubhub offers another avenue for food delivery, although it's typically slightly less lucrative than DoorDash. Many drivers opt to use both platforms to maximize their earnings depending on local demand. Grubhub receives a rating of 7 out of 10. For those in urgent need of income, options like Uber, food delivery apps, and TaskRabbit are highly recommended. However, for those with more time and looking to develop higher income skills, Google Professional Certificates offer an excellent opportunity. These certificates, developed by major companies like Google, Facebook, and IBM, address the demand for specific skills in high-demand industries. They can be audited for free, allowing individuals to explore various career paths before committing to a full certificate program, which costs $39 per month. This approach not only provides valuable skills, but also enhances job prospects significantly. If you're interested, I've covered the top 5 Google Professional Certificates in a dedicated video, which you can find here. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.